Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Discord frozen or not responding step by step so you can get the app working smoothly again in 2026. First, force close Discord. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open Task Manager, find Discord in the list, and click End Task. Then relaunch the app. Temporary freezes often clear up with a fresh start. Next, clear Discord's cache files. Press Windows plus R, type %appdata%, and open the Discord folder. Delete the cache, code cache, and GPU cache folders. Corrupted temporary files are one of the most common reasons Discord becomes unresponsive. Now disable hardware acceleration. Open Discord user settings, scroll to Advanced, and toggle hardware acceleration off. Restart Discord after making this change. This step often fixes freezing caused by GPU conflicts. Another important fix is checking for updates. Make sure Discord is running the latest version. Also update your graphics and audio drivers through Device Manager, since outdated drivers can cause performance issues. You should also close heavy background apps. Open Task Manager and end unnecessary programs that may be consuming too much CPU or RAM. Low system resources can make Discord freeze. If the problem continues, run Discord as administrator and temporarily disable overlay apps like screen recorders or FPS counters that may conflict. Finally, if nothing works, perform a clean reinstall of Discord and restart your PC. In most cases, these steps will fully resolve freezing or not responding issues. If this guide helped you, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Discord troubleshooting tutorials in 2026.